Okay, class 10. Today we will continue exercise 13.2, surface area and volume, chapter number 13. So till question number 2 we did. Now today we will be doing question number 3 only. So question number 3. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. So sugar syrup contained in gulab jamun is 30%. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamun. In 45 gulab jamun, how much volume, by volume, how much sugar syrup is contained in 45 gulab jamun? So each shaped like a cylinder. So shape of each gulab jamun is like a cylinder with hemispherical end. Hemispherical end. Hemispherical end. So length of gulab jamun is 5 centimeter. Total length. Now the diameter is 2.8 centimeter. It is 2.8 centimeter. Here also 2.8 centimeter. It is 2.8 centimeter. Now first we will calculate the radius. So diameter is given. Diameter equals to 2.8 centimeter. So radius is the half of diameter. Radius r equals to 2.8 divided by 2 centimeter. Then we will find the length of cylindrical portion. This is 1.4. 1.4. So 2.8 divided by 2 is 1.4 centimeter. So total length is 5 centimeter. Total length of gulab jamun is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Now we will calculate the length of cylindrical portion. Length of cylindrical portion is represented by h equals to 5 minus 2 into 1.4. Why 2 into? Because sidewise there are two hemispheres of radius, each radius 1.4 centimeter. So there are two radius. So 1.4 is here and 1.4 is here. So we have to subtract 2 into 1.4 from 5. You will get this length. So this equals to 5 minus 2.8 centimeter. So 5.0, 2.8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 4 minus 2 is 2. So it is 2.2. So this is 2.2 centimeter. Now first we have to calculate the volume of one gulab jamun. Volume of one gulab jamun. Volume of one gulab jamun equals to volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h plus 2 into volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now we can take pi r square common. Here it is h plus 4r by 3. Now put the value of pi, it is 22 upon 7. Now radius is 1.4 into 1.4. Now value of h is 2.2 plus 4 into 1.4 by 3 centimeter cube. So this equals to 22 upon 7 into 14 is 196, so it is 1.96 into, now take LCM, 3 is the LCM, 3 to 6, 3 to 6, it is 6.6 plus 4 4 16, 4145 centimeter cube. Now simplify it. 22 into 1.96, 2 6 12. Otherwise you can do in this way. So 196, 7 cut with 196, 7 to 14, 56 is left, so 0.28. 28 into 7 is 196. 28 into 7 is 196, so 1.96 means 0.28 into 7 is 1.96. So 22 into 0.28. Now multiply 8 to 16, 8 to 16, 17, 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 6, 1, 4, 1, 5, 6, 6.16. So this equals to 6.16 into 6.6 plus 5.6 is 12.2 divided by 3 centimeter cube. Now multiply 6.16 into 12.2, 6.16, 12.2, 2 6 12, 2 1 2 3, 2 6 12, 2 6 12, 2 1 2 3, 2 6 12, 166, 111, 166. This is 2, 3 2 5, 6 3 9 10 11, 2 3 4 5, 6 1 7, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 75 point. So this equals to 75.152 divided by 3 centimeter cube. Now we have to calculate sugar syrup content in 1 gulab jamun. Sugar syrup contain in 1 gulab jamun equals to 30% of its volume. Volume is this 75.152 divided by 3 centimeter cube. 30% means it is 30 by 100. This equals to 30 by 100 into 75.152 centimeter cube divided by 3. We can cut 0 0, 3 3 cut. You get, if you divide 75.152 by 10, you will get 7.512152 centimeter cube. Now we will be able to calculate the sugar syrup contained in 45 gulab jamun. In 1 gulab jamun, sugar syrup contained by volume is 7.5152 centimeter cube. Therefore, sugar syrup contained in 45 gulab jamun equals to 45 into 7.5152 centimeter cube, because in one gulab jamun volume of sugar syrup is 7.5152. So 45 gulab jamun is 45 into 7.5152. So 7.5152 into 45. So this equals to 5 to 10, 5 5 25 26, 5 1 5 6 7, 5 5 25, 5 7 35, 37 into 4 to 8, 4 5 20 0, 4 1 4 6, 4 5 20 0, 4 7 28, 4 5 20 0, 4 7 28 30. It is 30. It is 30. So 0 4 8 5 6 11. This is 8. This is 3, and this is also 3. So 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So this equals to 338.184 centimeter cube. It is approx. Sugar syrup containing 45 gulab jamun. Sugar syrup contained in 45 gulab jamun is 338.184 centimeter cube. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.